Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello. Taurus placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong November. And yeah, this is your the person on your mind. Okay, reading. Okay. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items for protection, okay, from evil eye, sa ating love bracelet, okay, ito yung ating love bracelet, and kay granter, and dun sa ating bagong item for cleansing, just message me. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And kung naghahanap po kayo ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay, open naman po siya. Okay, so let's start the reading. Taurus placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Who is the person on your mind, Taurus? The person on your mind. Anong meron dyan sa kanya? The Five of Pentacles. You leave this person behind. Or maybe, ikaw yung... There's separation here, I guess. Okay, may separation. May nangyaring away. Some of you. May nangyaring away. Okay? Nagalit ka rito. Iba sa inyo, nagalit ka sa taong to. Some of you pwedeng same, fellow earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's with this Five of Pentacles? Merong iniwan, merong inalisan, merong pinaalis, mga ganyan. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Okay? Some of you, sabihin natin ang gulo-gulo ng situation ninyong dalawa. Some of you, wala kayong contact sa ngayon. Okay? They're not, communicating right now. There's this silence after ng separation. Okay? Yeah, see, Race of Swords Universe. There's no contact for some of you. Okay, pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, anong meron sa situation? Okay, anong meron sa situation? Some of you, hindi kayo aware na may ganun pala dito sa sitwasyon. Okay? Anong kailangan nyo malaman sa situation, Taurus? The Queen of Cups in reversed. Okay, that's energy ng being self-centered or selfish, parang ganyan. Queen of Cups in reversed, and the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, there's this issue, sabihin nating sex fluidity. Someone is like ang tawag dyan, interested in the same gender. Okay, so some of you, pwedeng hindi kayo aware na yung maybe your person is interested in the same gender. Okay? May ganun. Pero hindi yun para sa lahat. Yeah, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, sa situation, nandun yung parang ubos na ubos. Okay? Dumating na lang sa punto na, okay, ayoko na. Okay, go. Umalis ka na. Andito yung parang galit eh. Okay? Nandun yung galit. Naubos lahat. I don't know, like, sabihin natin, ibinigay mo lahat sa situation. Yeah, the Nine of Wands in reverse. This is talking about pagiging pagod, pagiging ubos, parang ganyan. Okay? Some of you, there's two person, okay, na pinagpipilian or pinagpilian. Some of you kasi, pwedeng itong person mo is they're sabihin natin parang may dalawang person. Okay? So, pwedeng ikaw, meron pang isa. Okay? So, I guess, pwedeng may nalaman ka or what. Something like, your intuition is telling you that there's something's wrong. Parang ganyan. So, pwedeng inalisan mo or pinaalis mo na yung person. Okay? Some of you, magkasama kayo nito sa bahay. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat, ha? Nakakita lang ako ng mga ganong energy. That's why sinasabi ko. Okay. So, what is their emotion right now? Okay, their true emotion, their true feelings for you right now, Taurus. Okay. Their true feelings for you, Taurus. Okay, the Ace of Swords in reverse. They're confused, conflicted, maybe, unsure. Okay, why the Ace of Swords in first? Oh yeah, the Knight of Wands. So I guess, itong taong ito, sabihin nating parang wala namang pakialam kahit wala kayong connection sa totoo lang. Okay, they're just into games. Okay? Andiyan lang yung pakikipaglandian whatsoever or pakikipagharutan or what, or sabihin natin walang kaseryosohan dito. Okay, some of you, yung connection nyo is umandar lang, tumakbo lang dahil sa sex. May ganyan po. Okay? The Knight of Wands. Yeah. There's no energy ng kaseryosohan kapag nandyan yung Knight of Wands. Okay, maraming tinatago itong taong to. This is a player. Ha, Taurus, that's a player. Okay? Be careful. Okay, be careful. Okay, what is their next action? Ngayong November. What is their next action? Kung hindi kayo nagkakausap like itong mga nakaraan, okay, tingnan natin anong next action niya ngayong November. Hindi talaga ito nakikipag-usap sa'yo sa totoo lang. Because some of them, they're like happy, playing the field, enjoying being single. Or kahit sabihin nating, yes, meron kayong connection dapat nito, pero they're acting single. Okay, let's see. What is their next action towards you, Taurus? Okay, the King of Pentacles. Oh, what is that? What's with that? King of Pentacles. Yeah, meron dito talagang energy ng third party for some of you. We have here 3 energies. Okay, ano tong King of Pentacles? The 4 of Cups. Some of you, this person, pwedeng mag-reach out. Okay, ngayong November. Kung wala kayong communication sa ngayon, they will reach out. Okay, yun na lang ang pinaka-safe ko na pwedeng sabihin. Gagawa sila ng action. Okay, gagawa sila ng action towards you. Yeah, magpaparamdam, anything. Okay, so nandoon yung they will try to reconnect this November. Okay? Kasi nandun yung parang meron siyang ayaw masayang. Meron siyang parang ayaw masayang sa situation. Yeah, the Page of Cups is here. Some of you, this is like a simple or a sign na pwedeng gusto niya makipag-ayos or what. Okay? Ganyang bagay. Yeah. Anyway. Some of you might be dealing with Sagittarius and Aqua. You have here Capricorn. Okay, Earth, Water, Air. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of Earth sign. Okay. Ano ang advice / outcome ninyo ngayong November, mga Taurus? Okay. The Chariot. That's taking action. That is movement. Okay? Movement in general. What is that? The Two of Wands. Someone will take action. Okay? Pero, kailangan mo magbigay ng limits. Okay? Yeah. The Ten of Swords. The Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, the Star. Kailangan mo, sabihin natin, to stay grounded. Okay? To stay guarded. Sa lahat ng pwedeng gagawin mong action. And sa lahat din ng pwede niyang gawing action towards you. Okay? Some of you, you're moving on. Or maybe you're releasing yourself from this kind of situation. Okay? So, the Two of Wands is here. Andito yung parang you're in a crossroads. Okay? Huwag mo hayaan yung sarili mo na parang may ipit na lang sa pwedeng gawin nitong taong to. Okay? Huwag mo hayaan yung sarili mong madidelay sa lahat ng bagay dahil lang sa gagawin ng taong to. Ngayong November. Okay? Just sabihin natin parang move forward. Kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, kung bumalik man tong taong to, ipagpatuloy mo. Don't let them ruin Okay? Kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo na. Or kung ano yung mga tinatahak mo na or mga pinagkakabisihan mo na. Okay? Hindi kailangan, hindi mo dapat, okay, hahayaan na itong taong ito is makakasira sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Okay? Yeah, because wala naman ako nakikita ritong something na pwedeng mangyaring solid pa. Okay? Andun lang yung intention ng taong to na kaya siya ko-connect sa'yo because ayaw nilang may masayang. Okay? I don't know who, I don't know what. Okay? So, mas maganda gawin mo yung ginagawa mo and let them pursue you. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay. Anyway. So, let's go na sa all signs. The signs you're dealing with. Aries through Pisces. Okay, for Taurus placements. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. For Taurus. Okay, Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay, Aries. Oh, they're grounded. Okay. Being mature. Yeah, or sabihin natin nandun yung ego and pride ng tao. Taurus, they're juggler. They're juggling. Gemini, they're waiting for you to conversate maybe. Okay. Cancer, they will make a love offer. Some of you. Okay. Leo, they're trying na umalis sa connection. Some of you, there's this breakup na meron sa inyo sa ngayon, pero they're trying to hold back. Okay? Inuuna nila yung pride and ego maybe. Virgo, okay. Nawawala yung attraction, I guess. Nawawala yung attraction, nawawala yung kagustuhan ng taong to, ni Virgo, pagdating sa'yo. Libra, they're searching for you, they're looking for you. Okay, they want answers. They want something. Some of you, nandito yung parang may nangyaring energy ng ghosting. Okay, if this Libra ghosted you, they're waiting for you to take action. I don't know why. It's like, yeah, alis muna ako dito sa sitwasyon na to, pero I'll see kung anong gagawin mo pagdating sa akin. Parang ganon yung kay Libra. Scorpio, they want to hear something from you. They want your attention. Okay. Capricorn, no. Sagittarius, I'm sorry. Sagittarius, they're taking action. They want to rush things out. Like, may pagmamadali. Okay? Capricorn, still having this unfinished business feeling. Still, the unfinished business. Okay? Some of them, nandun yung hindi sila kontento sa ngayon. Okay? So, Aquarius, may pagbabalik ako nakikita. Or some of them, if ever, they still choosing to stay. Okay, choosing to stay or wanting to get back, wanting to make a return, parang ganyan. Pisces, okay, they want to take action, but this is like taking risk. Okay, ayaw nila, andito yung pagmamadali. Okay, ayaw nila maghintay, something like that. Ayaw nilang gumawa ng plano, basta gagawa sila ng action without thinking kung ano man ang pwedeng mangyari. Okay, as a result, hindi nila alam kung ano, pero gagawa sila ng kung ano mang bagay-bagay ba. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you.